Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and super duper cute quilling decorations for the Christmas inside the glass dome. Everything is handmade. This cute teddy bear, Christmas trees, balloons, gifts and so much to learn in this video. And this is looking very gorgeous. You can use this as a Christmas tree ornament, or you can decorate wall as a wall hanging. And this is so teeny mini. I have enjoyed it making so much. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making the Christmas trees. For this I'm taking one strip of medium green and one strip of dark green and making one tight coil. Then just inserting the pencil and making the cone shape. Like this, adding glue inside the cone. And also I created one more cone using one strip of brown color for the trunk. So I'm just sticking this cone inside the bigger cone and the super teeny mini tree is ready. Very cute. In the similar way I have prepared one more Christmas tree which is made using two strips of light green and two strips of medium green color. And for the trunk I have used two strips of dark brown color. And the process is same. So trees are ready, allow it to dry completely. We will decorate it later. Then I am starting with the teddy bear. To make the face of the teddy, I am taking here two strips of light brown color in 3mm and making one tight coil. Then taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome, adding glue inside the dome. Similarly, I have prepared one more dome, so just joining both the parts together and the face is ready. Now here I have prepared these two shapes which are made using three strips of light brown color in 3mm. This is having approx 2 cm deeper dome, just like we created the Christmas tree, and this is simple dome shape. So I'm just joining both the parts together for the body of the teddy bear. And on top I am adding the face like this. Then here I have prepared this tight coil which is made using half strip of light brown color in 3mm, just making the cone shape. I am making hands here, just twisting the cone little bit and then adding glue. Then I have prepared one more tight coil which is made using half strip of light brown. So just joining both the parts together and hand is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more hand. And with the same procedure, I have prepared the leg using half strip of light brown color. And to create the paws of the teddy, I am taking 1/4 strip of dark brown color and one strip of light brown color in 2mm, making one tight teardrop shape. Making a small dome, very small dome, adding glue inside this and then sticking with the leg. Similarly, I have prepared one more leg, so legs are ready. So here I have joined all the parts like hands and legs, also created the ears which is made using 1/4 strip of dark brown and half strip of peach. And the nose is made using one strip of peach. And small black part is made using 1/4 strip of dark brown. Now to make the scarf, here I am taking red color yarn and doing a simple chain So using my crochet hook, I am making 15 to 20 chains. Very easy technique. If you don't know how to do crochet, you just take 3 pieces of yarns and make a braid. So you will find the long chain. Cutting the excess yarn, and this is done. The scarf is ready. I have just stuck the scarf around the neck of the bear. It's looking super duper cute, isn't it? Then here prepared this cute hat, which is made using 1 strip of red and 1/4 strip of white color. Just like we created the hands, I have twisted it and added 1/4 strip of white color tight coil at one end. So I'm just sticking the hat on the head of teddy bear. And the very pretty and super duper cute bear is ready. I'm just loving him so much. Then starting with the balloons, here I'm taking 1 strip of dark pink color and making one teardrop shape. This is the 1 point teardrop. Then adding one small brown color strip with this. And the balloon is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more balloons with different colors. Now gathering all the balloons together and sticking with each other and just making the bunch of the balloon. Like this. Here in the bottom I have wrapped white color 5mm strip to make the balloon stand. Now taking back my trees, and it's time to decorate this. It's completely dried, so I'm just randomly adding some red and white color stones. Now taking this glass dome, which is ready-made, you can find it very easily from any craft store. So in the bottom I am going to add some cardboard circles, and just to give little dimension I am adding some small pieces of cardboards in between, and then adding one more cardboard circle, covering this with light blue color cardstock circle. I have created this circle according to the size of the dome base, and on top of this I am adding one more blue color circle and just checking whether it is perfectly fitting or not, and it's perfect. So I'm just sticking the bunch with the base. And then it's time to add all the elements which we have created, like Christmas trees, balloons and teddy bear. Also, I have prepared some small gifts. Just I have added some pieces of cardboards together and decorated it using some colored paper. Like this, allow it to dry. Then here, to add some leaves, I am taking dark green color strip, creating 3 loops in increasing order and then 2 loops in left and right sides in little decreasing order. So leaf is ready. Then taking red color paper, and to make berries, I am taking my single hole punch machine and creating some red color berries. Taking 2 leaves and some berries. And taking back my showpiece, and on the right side where the area is little empty, I am adding these Christmas leaves and then decorating it using red color berries. Like this, so cute. And then on the remaining portion, just to add the snow effect, I am adding some white color paper dots here and there. For this I have used my 2 mm hole punch machine. Just cut my white color cardstock to make these small circles. Like this. And then for the finishing touch, I am adding some stars on top of the tree, which are made using silver and gold mirror cardstocks. And then fixing the glass dome, and this is done. Now I'm decorating the bottom of the glass dome using white color pom-pom lace. It will give nice snowy effect around this. And the beautiful glass dome ornamental hanging is ready. It's looking very pretty and so adorable, isn't it? So in this way you can add Santa Claus, Christmas trees, reindeers, anything whatever you like to decorate your houses inside this miniature glass domes. All the supply links are given in the description box if you want to purchase anything. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.